Family love, jealousy, war, peace, anger, hatred, loneliness, betrayal. Family love, jealousy, war, peace, anger, hatred, loneliness, betrayal. Family love, jealousy, war, peace, anger, hatred, loneliness, betrayal. Family love, jealousy, war, peace, anger, hatred, loneliness, betrayal. Family love, betrayal, anger, hatred. Family love, betrayal, anger, hatred. Family love, jealousy, war, peace, jealousy, peace, war, jealousy, anger, hatred, betrayal. Anger, hatred, betrayal. Anger, hatred, betrayal. Anger, hatred, betrayal.
these off. God, let me go.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board flight ZZ Top 2085. Our destination to Dino Rings will take 1089,547 light years. Outside temperature is -0 degrees. The wind chill factor is still, so sit back and relax. In-house entertainment will be turned on as we reach the right altitude. I am Captain Santak Suka. Over and out.
Who are you? I know all the galaxy leaders and have no animosity with any of them. What do you want from me? What is your goal? Why don't you appear in front of me and have a dialogue face to face? I am Princess Copperleaf Sai, and you have a few seconds to surrender.
I have cameras installed all over the capsule and can see you clearly. So don't try to struggle. The chains that are holding you will tighten if you start struggling.
Your cameras might see me, but they don't see my mind.
Never mind about that. Basic food and water will be provided to you. My advice is not to reject, since it's a long flight. We need to keep you strong till you reach your destination. You know as well as I do that I need the key embedded in your forehead.
You poor fool! Did you think the key would be on me? The moment I came under attack, the key has magical powers to relocate, a safety device constructed by our wise droid. My army is already tracking our movement and will be here any moment to rescue me. So listen now and listen good. Turn around or pay the price.
Your petty threats don't scare me. Surrender. There is no way out of here.
We'll see about that.
Attention, attention, attention. Captain Zantak Zuka. This is the Women's Brigade from Circular Rings. We have blocked your capsule in a huge bubble and your navigation system is deleted. You have a few seconds to surrender.
This is not a game, Zantak Zuka. Surrendering is your only chance. Turn around now or pay the price. This message will self-destruct in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
should be Princess Sai killing off Zantak Zuka and then screaming loudly, "You should have never messed with me."
Everyone makes peace together.
So I think
Princess Sai is going to win because what is Zantak Suka even thinking? Women always win.
Each one of us should come to a negotiation instead of fighting.
I think that it's pretty obvious that the women are going to win anyways. All I can imagine is them appearing and walking out of the battle scene like absolute heroes.
So I think that Princess Ai is gonna win anyways, and yeah, Zanta Atsuka is gonna get punished, and like they will get justice.
I think the end of the play should be that violence is never the answer and who shall always prevail over others.
I think there's going to be a lot of bloodshed on both sides, and few people will die. But in the end, the women are going to win the war, and they're all going to scream victory.